Hey Blaine, I just thought it might be quicker if I did a quick little video, try to cover some of this. When viewing your site on mobile, I am having the same result of the bathroom icon is missing, so I'll go ahead and get that fixed up. And then just doing a little bit of testing, I found a few items that could just be cleaned up, better spacing, better margins for a mobile site. So I'm going to go ahead and get that stuff sent up with the dev team for you right now. But I just kind of wanted to cover a little bit about why you might see slightly different layouts when you drag your computer's browser to a smaller size versus loading on a phone. Responsive sites, they load files of styling that control the site's layouts based on the screen resolution it loads on. So loading it into your computer's browser and then dragging it, it's trying to read the responsive code for how things should be laid out, but it's not loading those files specifically for a certain screen resolution. So therefore, you might see on some things a small difference. I can kind of show you that difference through an emulator that we use that actually calls directly to the files that control different screen sizes, just like when I load it on my iPad or my iPhone or my iPhone Plus or any other phone that we particularly write code for those screen resolutions. So I'm just going to start out. I'll do a little drag here and kind of show you what it is I'm talking about. So I've dragged it basically as small as it goes, and you see that the form is stacking, and I see that there. And there's probably some stuff that we can clean up to where even doing this, they would be lined up, and some of this spacing along the edge here are things that can be improved. So we'll get that tidied up for you, but using an emulator that's going to act as an actual phone or tablet or other mobile device would, I can kind of show you here. I'm going to come here. Okay, I have it set to 6, 7, and 8 plus. I'm going to hit refresh so that it actually calls to the appropriate files. And I have it pulled up on my iPhone right now. And as you see, there is your actual layout that you're probably seeing on your mobile phone, which this is the layout I'm seeing. Because it actually called to the styling for that specific screen resolution that you can see up here. When you drag your browser, you're not getting to specific resolutions of actual devices most of the time. At least it's kind of hard to judge if you actually are or not. But like I said, I'll get it sent up and we'll make sure that we don't have any issues. We'll get the icon fixed for the bathroom and got a few notes for improvements there. So I will update you here shortly. Thank you.